Hello, sweet crafty friends. This is Mary, and you're watching Cardz TV, and I've got something special in this box I'm going to show you today. We're going to open it up, and inside we've got a list, and this says Cardz TV July Card Kit Fun in the Sun, and this tells you everything that comes in this card kit. And I'm going to go ahead and get everything out and get the box out of the way and show you what's in the new Cardz TV card kit. The Cardz TV July Card Kit Fun in the Sun includes 6 sheets of 8.5 by 11 cardstock in white and various colors. And here we see white, orange, red, hot pink, a beautiful teal blue, and a pretty green. Next we've got 10 sheets of 6 by 6 papers in all these beautiful summer colors. We've got some flip-flops, some ocean waves, some pretty little circles and dots, a pretty pink. I love this one. It's just so pretty and coordinates so well with the others. We've got some stripes with the teal and the orange. We've got some popsicles and this pretty summery stripe with a matching green. So there's your matching 10 sheets of papers. You're going to get a little mini ink pad. This one happens to be in a pretty teal color, but you may get an orange, a red, or a green. You're going to get a set of coordinating enamel dots. These are from Echo Park, and this set's called Summer Fun. You're going to get a set of Miss Kate Cuttables die cuts. We've got a cute little set of flip-flops, a pretty little flower, a sun, a cloud, a bottle of suntan lotion. Here's another pretty flower, a cute little pair of sunglasses, and then this little title, Fun in the Sun. You'll get 2 envelopes with 2 pre-scored and folded card bases. Then to put your cards in for storage, or if you want to give a gift, you're going to get one of these clear pop-up card boxes, and I've got one. I've had some cards in it, and this is how it pops up, and your cards just slide right in. You can get 4 to 6 cards and envelopes, depending on how thick they are, in this nice little card box. And then you're going to get 2 sets of Cardz TV stamps. And this right here is a $29 value, because these are $14.99 each on their own. So we're getting Summer Fun and Fun in the Sun. So there we go, guys. This is what comes in the Cardz TV July card kit called Fun in the Sun. I hope you'll come on over to cardztvstamps.blogspot.com. Take a look at this. I'll have a photograph there so you can see everything you get, and I'll have it all listed. And as I said, this sells for $29.95, which includes your shipping and handling. So if you're interested, come on over and take a look, guys. These are very limited. So, first come, first serve. Thank you so much for coming by today, guys. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will see you again soon with a card. Bye now.